इतनी लंबी चौड़ी चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं, तो इस सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस why he is not taking action against the officer in charge and why investigation has been kept pending?
Point of is there any inimical
Whatever it is,
further investigation is going on.
why don't you complete this further investigation?
Lordship.
Present writ application direction for further investigation, my lord. My lord, the investigating officer is not ready to obey the order of Deputy Inspector General of Police Human Rights, my lord. By letter number 1309 dated 23/3/2020, my lord. May kindly see Annexure 7 to the writ petition, my lord. At page 50.
You are saying that he is not ready to comply with the order.
My lord, SP East Champaran has also directed to for further investigation after taking order from the learned trial court. My lord, my lord, DYS.
All right, please read that. Please read Annexure 7.
जी जिला एवं सत्र न्यायाधीश मोतिहारी पुलिस चंपारण उपरोक्त कांड के संदर्भ में एसपी के पत्र 460 दिनांक 10/9/21 के भी तथा विधि मंत्री बिहार सरकार पटना के पत्रांक 104 आज दिनांक 14/3/21 के आलोक में उच्च स्तरीय जांच कराने का आदेश दिया गया है। इसमें संबंधित वरीय पुलिस पदाधिकारी का आदेश के संबंध में आवेदिका मीरा देवी के आवेदन में दिए गए वर्णित बिंदुओं पर जांच करने का आदेश पत्रांक 958/2021 दिनांक 30/4/21 को प्राप्त है, परंतु आपके द्वारा अभी तक कोई जांच नहीं किया गया है और नहीं न्यायालय से प्राप्त किया गया है, क्यों नहीं यह समझा जाए कि आपके द्वारा विधि मंत्री और वरीय पुलिस पदाधिकारी के आदेश का अनुपालन नहीं कर जानबूझकर अभियुक्त को क्षति कारित करने के आशय से दस्तावेजी साक्ष्य को छुपाया जा रहा है। माय लॉर्ड,
Why he is not taking action against him? इतनी लंबी चौड़ी चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं, तो इस सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस why he is not taking action against the officer in charge?
Lordship, case has been found true against Harinder Yadav, Vinod Ram and Rajdev Ram.
Mr. Anil Kumar,
my lord,
please try to understand his case.
Lordship.
He is saying that there is a direction for further investigation,
Lordship.
and that direction is not being obeyed by the officer in charge of the concerned police station. Why further investigation is required? So only when some materials come, indicating otherwise, indicating that this investigation is required to be done with some more attention, तो क्यों नहीं इसको कंप्लाई कर रहा है?
My lord, after the incident, my lord, several people recorded video recording from their mobiles, my lord, in which the deceased clearly saying the Rajdev Ram and Vinod Ram had inflicted a knife blow, my lord. He has not taken name of the petitioner.
Yes.
The video clip in the possession of the IO, my lord, but he has not given reference after the submitting charge sheet against the petitioner. After charge sheet, my lord, in the further in the supplementary case diary, he has written, my lord, in para 38.
Let the officer in charge of Sangrampur, East Champaran, Motihari, file within bracket respond number 7. File his response. In the light of Annexure 7, that is letter number 470/21 dated 25/9/2021. Said to have been written by the special public prosecutor. Full stop. What is the answer in this regard of the Superintendent of Police?
Lordship, in paragraph number 13, we have stated that in supplementary case diary number 13, para 86, name of Harendra Yadav has not been disclosed in the statement of deceased, Lordship. It has come, Lordship.
Whether supplementary case diary has been filed?
Lordship, it is, in para 13, it appears that that has been filed.
And why don't you file final form?
Lordship,
If it has come,
Lordship.
then why investigation has been kept
The
pending?
point of is there any inimical
Whatever it is,
further investigation is going on?
why don't you complete this further investigation?
Lordship.
लिखे learned Mr. Anil Kumar, learned AC to SC1,
SCA2.
SC8 has drawn the attention of this court towards the statements made in paragraph 13 of the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent number 6, filed on behalf of the Superintendent of Police Champaran within bracket respondent number 6, wherein it is stated that double inverted comma, according to supplementary case diary number 13 para 86, name of Harendra Yadav has not been disclosed in the statement of deceased. Full stop, double not closed. Next, at this stage, then why should I keep it pending? I will direct him to complete further investigation. ना ऊपर वाला पैराग्राफ छोड़ दीजिए और जो ऑफिसर इंचार्ज को जो कहा है रिस्पॉन्स देने के लिए उसको कर दीजिए। ऊपर में लिख दीजिए लैंड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर प्लीज फॉर ए डायरेक्शन to the official respondents to complete further investigation of the case and submit a police report after concluding further investigation within a reasonable time. Next, Land Council has placed before this court the letter number 470/21 dated 25/9/21 within bracket annexure 7, said to have been written by the special PP, wherein he has reminded the officer in charge of Sangrampur police station that he is not taking up the further investigation of the case despite the direction of the law minister and the senior police officers. Full stop. Next, Mr. Anil Kumar, learned DC to SC8, has brought to the notice of this court the statements made in paragraph 13 of the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the Superintendent of Police within bracket respondent number 6, who has stated so and so. जो कोर्ट किया है उसको वहां डाल दीजिए।
So earlier a charge sheet has already been submitted.
Next, Land Council for the state submits that earlier a charge sheet was submitted against the petitioner, but further investigation on certain points is going on. ठीक है? Is going on and is likely to be concluded very soon. It is stated that the fact that in supplementary case diary it is recorded that the name of this petitioner has not been disclosed in the statement of the deceased come out, so that the investigation as regards the petitioner, further investigation as regards the petitioner is taking place. Next, in the given facts and circumstances of the case, this court directs respondent number 6 to take up the further investigation of the matter as regards the pending issues expeditiously and conclude the same within a period not later than 4 months from the date of receipt of the communication of a copy of this order. Full stop. Next, in case it is found that the investigating officer or the officer in charge of the Sangrampur police station had been involved in diverting the investigation in another direction, and there was any wrong intention on their part, the SP, East Champaran shall take suitable action in accordance with law. Full stop. This should, however, not be taken as any observation of this court as regards the role of the IU and the officer in charge. Full stop. The same must be examined independently by SP Champaran.
My lord,
Full stop. This application stands disposed of accordingly.
my lord, it is clear from the Nectar 7 itself, for the further investigation, permission.
Then you don't know the law. Then you don't know the law. Further investigation may be carried out
My lord,
even after taking permission from the court in appropriate cases. At the same time, it is always open to the investigating agency that if any material comes to their notice, then they can take up further investigation. बोलिए ना, जजमेंट्स वगैरह इसमें आया है कई जजमेंट्स.
Item number 4.